Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana. Okay, so I'm reacting to William Last KRM. Okay, featuring Paige all the way from South Africa. This is a movie. He said he was gonna be releasing a movie, and I think this is it. It's Titanic, but not on an ocean. It's in a desert. I'm making that up. Yeah, if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's check it out. William Last KRM all the way from Botswana. That's why I'm so proud to be doing this right now. Okay, based on true events. This is another joke.
Vamos, ¿quién? Ahora quién?
¿Quién?
Ay, cacana.
Maya, this is your man.
Ay, cacana.
¿Quién? Ana, stop. Hela,
So, okay, I'm gonna paraphrase for you guys. So basically, he's acting as himself. He's laughing at himself again. He is himself as an older person talking to his daughter like, yo, are you serious? You're marrying this guy? And they're laughing about like, no, that's not him. It can't be. Look at him. Look at how ugly he is.
I refuse, Maya. You have brought disappointment to this family. Jahan.
What disappointment?
I wish they had put subtitles here, considering that William Last is a international artist. I wish I can translate for you guys, but I feel like it would take away.
When you went for a chimpanzee, a baboon. Oh, but
a buffoon. What a balloon? Buffoon. Get mo. I get libile out. Madam. Get
we pana.
Why give? Hey. What's going on? Get la tackling and Helena. Hey, you tell us in the hey.
Why pat
Wanaka? Oh, madam. Eh. Hasara. Here we don't want aliens here.
Yes.
We don't want wrong turns.
Yes.
Wrong turn.
We don't want ugly people.
No.
Like your uncle.
It is a movie. Yo guys, my eyes are itchy because it's allergy season here. I feel like they were just having fun for real. What is he doing?
My child, go and be with your man.
Who's that? It's chaos. beautiful song though.
Yeah, one kata manyana, dira ke rwale banana, for ene ka uvela sabata, ikate meti kabata. Really can't wait till the amana. You promise ka usani walala, she not the type ya bo deja vu. Like nale ena I miss you, baby girl like Sondela, yeah, Sondela, my love Sondela, tight, Sondela, baby girl like Sondela, man, tight, Sondela. My love was Sondela, oh, the Sondela. Mwana watu wansanyisa man, FM ntoyile man, watikimba borisa man.
Yo, big up to the videographers of this as well, man. Like, I know I paused this at the wrong time, but round of applause to you guys who are making this video because wow, okay, this is beautiful. Okay, yeah, I've said so many bad things about my country, so I'm not gonna say.
My love was Sondela, oh, Sondela. Yeah, kina kamonta vile kemo roba le utu. God bless me, God bana by two. She has the mama, got a homo tooth. She not the type, ya bo deja vu. Like an ale and I miss you. Baby girl, like Sondela, yeah, Sondela. My love was Sondela, tight, Sondela. Baby girl, got a Sondela, man, tight, Sondela. My love was Sondela, oh, the Sondela. Mwana watu wansanyisa man, FM ntoyile man, watikimba borisa man, kinataba kimoratile man. Baby girl, got Sondela, tight, Sondela.
So when I come home, Paige, yeah, but I'm cholo.
Baby girl, I got Sondela, yeah, Sondela. My love was Sondela, Sondela, Sondela. Baby girl, I got Sondela, man, Sondela. My love was Sondela, Sondela, Sondela. When I was one Chinese man, FM ntoyile man, watikimba borisa man, kinataba kimoratile man. Baby girl, I got Sondela, Sondela, Sondela. Sondela, 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 Sondela.
The more visuals. Yo, that was a beautiful one. William Last KRM, so good to see his videos, and it's like I've had the privilege to spend some time with him or around him. He's kind of pretty cool, like pretty chilled. He's not like over the top all the time, and I wonder if like people who work with him like always gets amazed. I feel like he just switches every time like the director says action, and then he just switches back to his normal quiet kind of cool like guy. Yeah, he's pretty chill guy, man. Like when you see his videos, he acts all crazy, but in real life he's really relaxed, and yeah, he's a good guy. Beautiful stuff, man. It's good to see that he's consistent in his creativity, and he's even like getting bigger, and like you can see that he's getting older into this game. Like he's relaxed. He's no longer just like going after it. I think he's like plans his things properly now and make sure that everything that he puts out is like of a top quality. So that's good to see. Thank you so much for checking this out. I'll see you guys on the other side. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. I'll see you guys on the other side.